Alright, so we're back working on the O2 Eclipse, and I took out the seat covers and the steering wheel cover, and I left these on because I like the extra padding. But the guy told me to see if the hazards worked, and if I hit the hazard lights, my driver's side blinks like it's supposed to, but my passenger side doesn't even turn on, even if I tap it. So I'm gonna take this apart, and all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Take out that screw, and then it like kind of comes out. And then I'm gonna replace the bulb with a spare one that I have in my glove box, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Alright, so I got my Phillips head screwdriver and the screw right here. Screw out, don't lose that, and then it should just come out like so. And see, like there's a little tab that goes in here, kind of just wedges in. So twist this, should come out, exposes the bulb. I'm just gonna push this in and twist, like so. Bulb out. New bulb in. Okay, so that's in. Let's test it. Sounds promising. Yay, we fixed it. Okay. So it was just the bulb, thank God. Like, I didn't want to mess with wiring today at all. So we fixed it. Now we just gotta put the housing back on. And I'm gonna clean up. This is clear coat from when I sanded the headlight. So I'll clean that up real quick too. Just stick it in there and twist. Clockwise. And put the tab in the hole right there, and then put your screw back in. Put my hazards on, because that was not working before. And we fixed it. Sweet.